Craig Chernelka, product specialist with Case IH, here to talk about front reclaim and boom flush. So first of all, we'll get started here. So if I'm in my run screen for my sprayer, I've got a set of green keys here, so it's a quick jump to menu. So if I hit the symbol of the boom, it's going to bring up now the ability to do boom purge or front fill reclaim. Okay. So for front fill reclaim, it gives you a walkthrough step by step. Okay. So we need to have the pump disengaged and the master ply off. I'll hit next. Now it's going through the process. So it's taking air and it's blowing out any of the product in the 3-inch line. So it's an automated process, walks us through step by step through the process in there, going through there. Once the process is complete, I hit done, and that is the front fill reclaim. Next, we're going to cover boom purge using air. So the machine has to be unfolded in the field position, and I've got two options. I can do boom flush or I can do through nozzles. So I'm going to go through nozzles. I'll hit next. Okay, now it's going to tell me to have the engine running, vehicle parked, booms in the spray position. Okay, and I'll have to have the engine set to max RPMs. I'll hit next, and the boom purging process is taking place. Okay, so now it's going through sections 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or as many sections as you have on your machine. Then it'll do that automation process again, go through all the sections, and then the final process, it will do a complete boom purge, so all sections will fire at the same time. Okay. And again, this is fully automated. The whole process that it goes through is fully automated. So as you can see, it gives you status of where you are in the boom purging process. So as it's going through, you can see the pressure that is going through and going through all of the operations. We're going through our ventral nozzles as well in this process. So now we're at our final section. Section 7 is purged, and now we have purged our ventral nozzles. Now we're doing a complete boom purge. Okay. So now the process is complete. We can hit done, and that is front fill reclaim and boom purge.